What's up everybody? In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to remove tokens from Metamask wallet. So for example, if you were going around and you were playing with a Metamask and you added just so many different tokens and then you realize you don't need them. So here's what you need to do. First, you need to select from which chain you would like to remove. In my case, I'm going to be doing Ethereum, but I have many other chains added. So choose your chain. And then scroll down, then right here, we need to choose token that we would like to remove. For example, let's remove Shiba, press on it, and then press on these three little dots, and then you'll see hide Shiba, and there is like a trash can next to it. You press on it, and then press on hide, and that's it. Shiba token is removed. And same thing you can do to others. Hide, hide, and that's it. FTX is disappeared as well. And this is pretty much it. If this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.